So basically, we have to encourage participation and contribution for everyone to achieve common vision and goals. So we consider, acknowledge all the stakeholders. This is what happened in early 2009. Because people doesn't even know what's Citarum. Is it a drink or animals? So what we did is that we realized there is a stage in terms of introducing a program. So we don't really have to jump up into the program. So we did with the black campaign first. We call it third parties, using media, NGOs, internet, and other events to have black campaign about the rivers. Because first, they don't realize they have a problem, and they don't even know there's a Citarum River there. And so it should be shocking, attention-grabbing, creating want to know more awareness. So thanks to International Herald Tribune, we have Citarum, the world's dirtiest river. So if you type in the Google or any other search engine machines, so we have this very shocking announcement, and this like a wake-up call for the government as well as for communities. And then after that, many media start to report about the rivers. Let's say the Sun in December said the dirtiest river, and also Key River suffers upstream, downstream pollution. Citarum, the river of waste, and still so many that we cannot list here. So basically, our first introduction approach is an effort to clean the world dirtiest river. Just that's the message that we want to deliver at the stage we want to have the program. So at the beginning, we don't talk about the program, what kind of activities, about the money, funding, just forget about it, just raise the awareness. So, and how to promote it? We use the third party, which is not government, try to raise awareness of people. We use NGO, we use media, so we give them give them information, let them blow up about the information. So the key points is about one strong key message, creating public awareness about the problems, followed by a campaign about the programs to solve the problems. The second, our strategy is introduce a new logo, because we have so many ministries, and each of them want to be the heroes. So it should be like one logo that represents all the program. So there's create ownership as well from the community. So basically the logo is like shake hand, because working together between upstream and downstream. And we try to understand who's our stakeholders, and it should be up close and personal. So after we understand the stakeholders, we group them, and we target as the target group, and then we try to understand how to reach them. It has their own characteristic. We have to use the same language, and we have to give what they want to hear. This is the most important one. For example, government. It's always busy, plenty of projects, new people want to join, because there's many circulation, some promote it, and also some move to other departments. For NGO, they're more concerned about what happened and what they can take part, but also comes to the pragmatic vision, what's in it for me. So it's just an example how we try to customize. And we already saw the result, like local government already concerned, conducted coordinating meeting, chaired by the governors, and followed by plenty of media coverage. Central governments have serial meetings already coordinated by 2 coordinating ministers, and significant increase of budget allocation, attention of donors, and everyone already talk about it. Want to join, want to be part of the success, and to contribute some things. Why? Because people like provocative issues to get interested and to follow up. So basically, one lesson learned. Creating collaboration in water management is like building a teamwork. So I took it from the teamwork perspective. It's not really the same, because it's like bigger and many stakeholders. There's some stages in here. There's like a forming, storming, norming, and performing. So the tension is increasing, and here I call it as the tipping point. So it's the important is that we have to push until the tipping point to start norming and also performing. In here also almost the same, but the way it's presented as the circular. So for forming, start norming, and then, forming, storming, norming, and performing. And when forming, people feel like they want to stay in their comfort zone, doesn't care about each other, but then they know there's a need to work together to build a teamwork. They start to storming. They jump to from their comfort zone, start the conflict about interest, understand each other, and then norming. Now, so at the end is performing. I can say we're still at the stage of storming, and hopefully we'll come to the norming and then can start performing. So it's basically about the explanation for each stage. And another lesson learned that I adopted from Dr. Eva Abel when explaining about the typical history of the rivers. So basically, usually rivers as source of water previously, and start rivers as sewers. And there's a tipping point where the rivers become more important and become lifestyles, and also river for the future generation. So I recognize the two type of evolutions in terms of water management. So the lesson learned is that communication strategy can promote paradigm shift, and also we need to understand the evolution. So different strategy for each different stage, and specific approach and language for each target group. It should be up close and personal and customized. Thank you very much. For more information, you can go to our website, and feel free to contact me for further information. Thank you very much.